Hey guys, I got a very special unboxing for you. I got two Hot Wheels, but I'm saving the best one for last. So here is the mystery machine. This is gonna be a little tough doing it one-handed. And I just got this these two off at Target. There we go, sorry about that. Alright, there we go. Rubber tires, metal base. Alright, that's Scooby-Doo's mystery machine. Now the last one. Booyah. This is the Super Treasure Hunt Carbonic TH logo. Gold Treasure Hunt logo indicating it is super. Rubber tires. I don't like those wheels, but it's a super. The car is great. Alright, this one opened a lot cleaner than the mystery machine. See, there's a Treasure Hunt logo. Oh yeah. Super Treasure Hunt Carbonic. Alright, thanks for watching.